on the other channel in the vlog. Boyfriend made me a big omelet. That sounds really good. That was so sweet of him. You gonna try the shrimp omelet? Y'all could chop the shrimp up in the omelet. Oh, you talking about the oxtails, Miss Tammy? I don't know why. I really don't like food cooked in the slow cooker too much or the pressure cooker. It kind of don't taste the same. Like, it don't taste as flavorful to me. Everything tastes good. This tastes really good, y'all. Them shrimp taste better than they did last night. Because they've been marinating. On that butter. I'm in pressure cooker and you're right. I felt like I needed to add more seasonings, etc. Hey, Miss Rachel. You got shrimp in the freezer? You can chop the shrimp up if you want to, or you can leave them whole. Y'all, I love the shrimp with the skin on, because I just love to suck all of the seasoning. I love this part.